Hello YouTube, Robert Alvarez, the Psychic Witch, also known as Mr. Lighting in a Fan. Hello everybody. I hope that wherever you are in YouTube land, you are happy, healthy, safe, and well as those you love and adore. Okay, so first of all, today is Friday, November 13th, 2020. Right now the time is approximately 12:23 p.m. Eastern Time. I do not remember what the waning moon sign is, but the sun is transiting in Scorpio, moving to Sagittarius. I am so thrilled and so happy to be in nature, and specifically to be in a place called Bowman's Hill Wildflower Preserve in New Hope, Pennsylvania. This is my first time back in New Hope since Saturday, October 1st, 2016. Which was the day after the black moon in Libra. So I'm just beyond thrilled to be here. I'm going to have my awesome audiovisual person show you what is in front of me, this beautiful flowing water. Look at this flowing water. I'm just so thrilled. I am just beyond happy to be here. And technically this is an additional WEDIN video because it is imperative for a witch to spend time in nature. And I actually had the opportunity to be at a crossroads a little while ago, and my awesome audiovisual person, our divine day trip driver, and I engaged in a short but beautiful and powerful ritual to surrender and release, to banish and dissolve, and to bring in the good. And Hecate was absolutely front and center, and because it's a Friday the 13th, I have felt the presence of Hecate, Diana, Aphrodite, Oshun, my beloved Osset, and I'm just beyond thrilled to be here, and to finally be back in New Hope, Pennsylvania makes me beyond happy. I have my witch's cape. I'm a little chilly, but it's okay because I'm finally feeling real autumn weather. So, but I'm just mesmerized by this beauty, by this wondrousness, by this richness of earth. I've always felt that autumn is a celebration of the earth, and I am just beyond thrilled to be so happy and in the presence of people who are magical and prosperous minded and lovely and loving and caring, and I'm having a stellar day. It's a little bit rainy, but I don't care. I'm still having a stellar day. This is going to be one of several videos today, so be on the lookout for that, and stay tuned for the next video.